Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Ayurveda Basking. In this video, we are studying some Ayurveda basics. So you can think with this title also. Ayurveda Basic. Basic means some basic concept of Ayurveda that are very essential and you can say the base of your further Ayurvedic studies. Okay. First, we think some normal things like whole universe is made up of Panch Mahabhuta. Same thing, our human body is also made of Panch Mahabhuta. And it is further constituted by the dosha dhatu mala in case of Ayurveda. So material cause of the human body is dosha, dhatu and mala. And they are in different number in human body. Like if I talk about doshas, there are 3 doshas in the human body, that is vata dosha, pitta dosha and kapha dosha. If I talk about dhatu, there are 7 dhatus in the body, that is rasa dhatu, rakta dhatu, mamsa dhatu, medas dhatu, asti dhatu, majja dhatu, shukra dhatu. And there are also 3 mala, that is Sveda Mala, Purisha Mala and Mutra Mala. In further video we discuss this in brief. Now we see what is actually dosha. Dushan Svabhavatva dosha iti dosha means dosha having the Svabhav of Dushna, means dosha is that identity or dosha is that factor which is easily take vitiation or can easily cause vitiation. Okay, this definition is given in the Ashtanga Hridaya Shutarsthanam 20th chapter 5th shloka. So dosha are classified into 2 categories. One is the Sharirik dosha, second is the Mansik dosha. Sharirik dosha having their origin from the Panch Mahabhuta, and Panch Mahabhuta related shloka is Mahabhutani Ka Vayur Agni Apa Akshtisda. Here Kha means the Akasha Bhuta, Vayu means the air substances, Agni means the Tejas, Apa means the watery, Akshtisda means the Prithvi. So the Sharirik dosha are 3 in number: Vata dosha, Pitta dosha and Kapha dosha. There are Mansik doshas also, and Mansik dosha have their origin from the Ahankara, and it is having 2 number: Rajas Tamas Manso Dvo Cha Dosha Vudhato. Rajas and Tamas are the 2 Mansik dosha, and this reference is the Ashtanga Hridaya Shutarsthanam 1st chapter 21st shloka. Now we discuss about the most important Siddhanta we accepted in Ayurveda, that is Tridosha Siddhanta. Tridosha Siddhanta is generally related with the 3 dosha, basically the Sharirik dosha we studied, Vata dosha, Pitta dosha and Kapha dosha. And we already see the definition of dosha. Dosha is a disturbing factor and you can't see it with your naked eye, but it can show its physiological function when it is balanced state, and there are some disease symptom also when it is in the imbalanced state. Okay, so there is one famous and important definition regarding the 3 dosha and their functional aspect. Vayu Pittam Kapashcheti Triyo dosha samasata Vikrita Avikrita Deham Ghananti Te Vartiyanti Cha, given in the Ashtanga Hridaya Shutarsthanam 1st chapter 6th shloka. So there are 3 dosha, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha. If they are present in the balanced state, leads to life. If these 3 dosha are in balance, they can cause the health. If they are in the imbalance, they can cause the disease condition. So there are 2 major conditions that is due to this dosha is balanced state and imbalanced state. Now we see the relationship between Panch Mahabhuta and Tridosha, and the related shloka is Vayve Akash Dhatu Bhyam Vayu Aganyam Pittam Amba Prithvi Bhyam Sleshma, means the Vata dosha is basically of 2 Panch Mahabhuta. So Vata is of Vayu Bhuta and Akasha Bhuta. Same If we talk about Pitta, it is of Agni Bhuta predominantly. And if I talk about Shleshma means Kapha, it is of Ambu means water and Prithvi. You can see in the diagram also, Vata is of air and space, Pitta is mainly of fire, Kapha is mainly of water and earth. It doesn't mean कि वाता के अंदर और 3 भूता नहीं होंगे, but these 2 are in the predominant state. And there is some synonym given in Ashtanga Hrida related to dosha, like a mansion is supported by the pillars. Same, our body is supported by the dosha. So dosha strengthens the body and known as the pillars of the body. And thank you guys.